You know, I'm Kevin VanDam, and I've had a lot of experience in a lot of boats over the years, but I've never had more fun than when I started pontooning in my Regency pontoon with my family. But I think there's one thing that we could all agree upon, is that putting a cover on with all those snaps and trying to do it on the water is really no fun at all. That's why this Regency rail lock cover system is just awesome to have. The beauty of this system is just how simple and easy it is to do, and that's what I love about it. So into the rail, there's a channel built in, and on the cover, all it has is this little tab. You know, there's no snap or anything. All you have to do is just pop that in there, and boom, just like that, it's locked and loaded in place. It's really easy to put on and off, and again, there's no unsightly snaps up and down the boat. Whether you end up putting your boat in storage or you keep it in the slip, this cover fits tight and snug. It's going to keep all the leaves and debris out, so come spring, your boat's ready to go.